How to calculate true heading and ground speed given true airspeed, true track, and wind velocity. This question provides a true airspeed of 200 knots, a true track of 073 degrees, and a wind velocity of 210 degrees at 20 knots. Calculate the true heading and ground speed. Step 1. Draw a simple diagram. Step 2. Mark on the wind velocity cross. To do this, align the wind direction of 210 degrees with true heading. Then, place the wind cross 20 knots below the center dot. Step 3. Set true airspeed and true track. To do this, place the true airspeed of 200 knots under the center dot. Then, set track of 073 degrees on the rotating scale against the heading index mark. This shows a drift of 3.5 degrees port. Step 4. Drift balance. The drift shown on the wind cross must match the drift shown on the fixed scale. To do this, rotate to align 073 degrees with 3.5 degrees port. Now, the wind cross has moved to 4 degrees port, therefore on the fixed scale align 073 degrees with 4 degrees port. Since both the wind cross drift and fixed scale drift are the same, no further adjustment is needed. Step 5. Read off the true heading of 077 degrees and ground speed of 214 knots.